Hello friends, welcome to part 13 of Laravel 13 series in which we are getting the AI powered e-commerce website. So in this part we are going to manage the slider grid banners at the home page and we are going to set up the CRUD for it in the filament admin panel. So let's start. So we are going to manage the slider grid banners and this module allow admin to manage home page banners dynamically with the support of multiple types. So in this video you will learn create banner table using migration, add banner types, slider as well as grid, upload banner images, create filament crud, manage banner position and status. This will be used later for home page slider section, grid banner section. So you can join as a member for faster support, 24 hours mail and the source code. So here the concept is that we are going to upload the two types of banners from the admin panel. One is the slider banner that will come at the top of the home page, and they are auto sliding as well. They will automatically keeps on sliding. Okay, so that's why we call them the slider banners. And the another one are the grid banners. Grid banners are the fixed banners that don't slide. Okay, so they can come at the bottom or at the middle of the page, but generally we are going to display in rows. Okay, so that we are going to display as well. So both these type of banners, slider banners as well as the grid banners, we are going to add from the admin panel, filament admin panel. Okay, so we are going to create the module banners module in the filament admin panel, and we are going to create its CRUD. Okay, so first of all, we are going to create its model as well as the migration file with this artisan command. So let's start doing it. So I'm going to copy this command and will run for my project AI e-commerce. That is the Laravel 13 project that we have started some time back now. Okay, so you can use terminal or you can use git bash. Okay, so I'm going to run this artisan command, the first one. That is the PHP artisan make model banner hyphen m is for creating the migration file. One command to create two things. One is the banner model, and another one is the migration file for the banner, so that we can generate the table banners table. Okay, so both the things have been done here. So I'm going to open the create banner migration file, create banner table migration file, and here I'm going to add the columns that we want. I'm going to update the schema here, and I'm going to add the schema. Okay, so in banners table, we are going to have the title, image, link, type. So type is the field that we may have the slider or grid. You need to select one of the type here. Position for sorting, that where you want to show the banner at the first position, second position, third position, and the status. You want to make it active or inactive. Okay. So these columns are required for the banners table. Now we are going to run the PHP artisan migrate command to create this table. So the banners table has been created. We can check in our database as well. I'm going to refresh AI e-commerce database, and you can see the banners table has been created with all the required columns. Okay. So now we will move further and we'll update the model that we have created earlier with the common command, and we are going to add the fillable array, the columns that we have added in the banners table. So after this, we are going to create the filament resource, okay, for adding the banners module in the filament admin panel. So this command we are going to run php addition make filament hyphen resource, then space banner. So it will ask the few questions like it asks every time. So we need to answer what is the title attribute for this model. We will always give name. After that, would you like to generate a read-only view page for the resource? No. Should the configuration be generated from the current previous column? Yes. I already explained the purpose of these questions. Okay. So do watch all the videos for the better clarification. So after this, we are going to take the final steps we are going to update the banner form. That is the controls what admin can enter. Uh, we are going to update the banner form for the better UI. Okay, so we are going to update this banner form. I'm going to open the banner form and we'll update. And you can see the banners for banners module will automatically get added when you run that resource command for the filament. And you can see here their banners module has been added at the left side bar. I'm going to open. Here you can see the banners page. Okay, this is the listing for the banners, and from here we can add the new banner. See, this is the banner form for adding the banner. So both add edit banner form as well as the listing of the banner. We are going to update. Okay, we are going to update the UI for both so that it will become more user friendly, so that it will be easier to add and view the banners. Okay, so for better UI, we are going to update the banner form.php. I'm going to open this banner form.php and we'll replace this the current with this one. And also we are going to open the banner table.php for better display. We also going to update the banner table.php that will show image preview, show type as badge, show status toggle. Okay, so everything is included in this. So that's why we are going to update it. This I have already worked offline. I spent few hours. Okay, so I make it even better and test it as well. Okay, so now I'm going to refresh here. So it has been done. Now we can add the new banner. I'm going to add here the slider banner 1. Okay, so I'm going to add, I can also drag and drop the banner here, or I can simply upload it from there as well. Okay, I'm going to check for some of the banner like this one. I'm going to just drag and drop here. See here. Okay, slider banner 1. Here, redirect URL, any kind of URL, like I'm going to give my website URL, the website where you can find the Laravel source code. Okay, so the slider banner, I'm going to give it position 1 and we'll create it. So the banner has been added. I'm going to check in the banners module. Here you can see the banner has been added. Okay, here you can see that one issue was coming, that the banner thumbnail was not displaying in the banners listing. So I asked in ChatGPT that the issue is in banners display in the listing. So we need to add disk public. Okay, we need to add here the disk public in image column to display the banner in the banner listing as well. So this step we are going to do, and also I'm going to mention in the steps that we have done, so that whenever you will get notes, you can just require to become an advanced member to get all these notes, so that you will have no issue at all. Okay, here this one. So now it's fine, and we can also check in edit. The banner must be coming fine in edit as well. You can see the banner is coming fine in the edit as well with all other information. Okay, so we can add more banners. I'm going to add one more celebrity. Okay, so here I will mention the URL. It's not mandatory. Set the banner. I'm going to position it at second place. Okay, Create it. Okay, it has been done. Now I'm going to check in banners display, banners listing. See, we able to add the two slider banners. Okay, so now we are going to add the fixed banner that we used to call as a grid banner. So I'm going to add here the grid banner one to upload this small grid banners, the grid banner one. See, if you don't want to give any URL, so it's your wish. Here, just we are required to mention the grid banner and just create. Here you can see the grid banner has been added. So we can, like this, we can add more grid banners. Okay, you can see that we have added another grid banner. So you can add as many grid banners and as many slider banners as you want. So we able to add the another grid banner. Okay. So I'm going to check in banners listing. So there must be two slider banners and three grid banners that we have added so far. See here. Okay, it looks perfect. Okay. Banners, module, banners listing, and the display is also fine. Okay, so you can do this at your end. So this is the slider crud. So we able to include the slider crud in the filament admin panel. And if you have any query, you can surely contact me. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.